I'm Satyajit Bagchi, Senior Manager Marketing at Nestle Health Science. Watch me live on 5th November at 3 p.m. onwards in the GAPSULE event. GAPSULE is a first of its kind program aimed at discussing the increasing knowledge gap between the pharma and the healthcare industries. Ever since the first interaction happened between a pharma sales professional and a healthcare professional, the pharma industry has emerged as a catalyst for providing information, sharing knowledge, and facilitating continuous medical education. However, COVID-19 has been proving to be a big disruptor. It threatens to derail the proven practices that facilitate the information exchange between the pharma and the healthcare industries. Pharma marketeers are at a crossroad where they must protect established practices and create innovative solutions that can address the challenges posed by the pandemic. That's where I believe the GAPSULE event plays an important role. So meet you on 5th November from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. at GAPSULE.